You know, we've always gone really early to the markets, and that's really because one of our favorite things to do is to just make a really beautiful stand. You know, I enjoy taking the time and really thinking about it, and both Kate and I enjoy that, about how it's going to look. So we put so much care into growing this food that I couldn't bear to just throw plastic crates on a table and just have them lay there. You know, I need to design it. I need to make everything look its best, to look really beautiful and high and stacked in a way that people can appreciate all the work we put into it. It's kind of the final place for it. It's where, you know, now it's going to be sold after, you know, months and months of work. And I want it to look beautiful. I want people to say, wow. And,
Candy for grilling? The baby?
you know, to see the effort that we put into it. And that's what makes it wonderful, is that recognition.
Save potatoes? Save potatoes?
You know, it's what keeps us going. We've been doing markets for, you know, more than a decade, and you know, there hasn't been a week we haven't done a market. We go every week, we year round, and you have to have a reason to love it. And so that work into making it beautiful is one of the reasons I love it. Good to see you. Be great for the show, I think, no?
I mean, we're good. Don't worry about it. Jesse, then we come out here.
we could get a bit more sleep and not spend so much time on it, but I would, quickly lose interest in it. And it's not why I farm, to just get through it. I want to enjoy it, and I want the kids to enjoy it. They're not going to enjoy it always, waking up early and getting down to the market, but getting them involved and letting them see the passion that we have for it. That, we care about every little tomato and what it's going to look like, and the reaction of the customers. I don't think I can hear it enough when people compliment the vegetables. I need it every week. I need them to tell me that it tastes great, that they look beautiful. Commerce is, it's a strange thing, when you haven't done it your whole life, it's sitting in a cubicle. But, while we work really hard at farming, I don't think I could work hard at a lot of different things, because I just don't. If I don't have the passion for it, I won't do it well. And, we had to find the passion for markets, because at the beginning we didn't really like it so much. There was, a bit of a disconnect between what we were doing at the farm and then having to go to market. And we kind of found that connection to it by putting the same effort we put into the farm to make it beautiful, putting that effort into this stand each week.